You were brought up in Wales, listening to different sounds of music, choirs, of course in chapel as well. It's very important, I think, when you're at a very early age, you hear all these singing, and of course you tend to join in with the different competitions and stuff. Yes, it's been a very good grounding, I think.
Wel yn ysgrifenedig, enwau holl yn gariadon fy meistr, feser faith luniau si ar air a neb. Sallwch drwyddi, wrandewch arni hi, sallwch drwyddi, wrandewch arni hi. Yn yr oedran mae 620, 31 a 200 yn yr Almaen. Cant sydd yn Ffrainc, 91 sydd yn Hwrci, ond y man Sbaen. Ond yn Sbaen mae na un fil a thair. Mil a thair. Mil a thair. Mae rhai yn ferched gwledig, rhai mewn trefyn gyflogedig. Mae na iarchus a barwnes, Ardalodd pendediges, mae'n awragedd o bob dosbarth, o bob tîn ac o bob oed, pob rhywlyn a pob rhyw oed. Yn yr Eidal, mae 620. Yn yr Almaen, 230. Cant sydd yn Ffrainc, 91 sydd yn Hwrci, ond y man Sbaen, ond yn Sbaen, mae na un fil a thair. Mil a thair. Mil a thair. Mae rhai yn ferched gwledig, rhai mewn trefyn gyflogedig. Mae na iarches a barwnes a dalyddes pendediges. Mae na wragedd o bob dosbarth, o bob ffin ac o bob oed. Pob rhywlyn a pob rhyw oed. Pob rhywlyn a pob rhyw oed.
Through winning in the Eisteddfod, I think it gives you, gives you a question in the back of your head. Is this what you want to do? And of course, I didn't think about anything else. I did my A-levels and I didn't know what I was going to do. And fortunately, I went to the Guildhall School of Music and Drama for an audition, just as a pure curiosity, really, just to see what it was like. And I got through to the principal to have a chat with him, and he asked me, what do you think of the Guildhall School of Music then? And of what you've read in the little book about the college. And I said, I haven't read it. So you could see then that I wasn't quite sure what to do, but I liked the place. And then when I went out of his office, I read the book and I fancied what was in it. So I started there.